Today, I am reviewing Dell's 16 touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell 16-inch touchscreen laptop, also known as the Dell 165640, is one of those machines that manages to strike a balance between raw performance, modern design, and everyday usability. Right out of the box, it feels like a premium device built for professionals, students, or really anyone who wants speed and reliability without compromising on style. Inside, it's powered by the Intel Core i7-150 processor, part of Intel's latest 14th generation lineup. With 10 cores and speeds that boost up to 5.4 GHz, this chip is built for multitasking. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, running heavy spreadsheets, analyzing data, or even working on light creative projects like editing photos or short videos, this laptop keeps up without slowing down. On top of that, it comes with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 memory. That's not something you see every day, and it means you can comfortably run multiple demanding applications at once, even virtual machines or developer tools with no lag. Add in the 2 TB solid-state drive, and you get lightning-fast boot times, quick app launches, and a huge amount of storage for projects, media, and files. The 16-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen display adds a lot to the experience. It offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200, which gives you a taller 16 by 10 aspect ratio compared to a standard widescreen. That little bit of extra vertical space makes browsing documents, spreadsheets, and web pages much easier, especially for productivity. The panel delivers crisp visuals, sharp text, and vibrant colors, while the touchscreen functionality adds extra convenience. You can pinch to zoom, scroll, annotate, or even sketch ideas directly on the screen, and it all feels smooth and responsive. Physically, the laptop comes in an ice blue finish, which looks modern and professional without being too flashy. Despite the powerful hardware inside, it weighs only around 3.6 pounds and is less than 3/4 of an inch thick. That makes it slim enough to slip into a bag and light enough to carry around for work, travel, or classes without feeling weighed down. Dell has also included several thoughtful features that make daily use more seamless. There's a fingerprint reader built into the power button, so you can sign in quickly and securely without typing a password. The backlit keyboard is another nice touch, making it easy to keep working in low-light situations like late-night study sessions or flights. A dedicated AI Copilot key is included as well, which ties into the Windows 11 Pro software that comes pre-installed. With one press, you can access Microsoft's AI tools to help draft notes, summarize research, or manage projects more efficiently. It's one of those small touches that ends up saving time. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, you're getting fast and stable connections whether you're joining video calls, transferring files, or pairing wireless accessories. The port selection is generous too, with USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, an audio jack, and even a memory card slot. This variety means you can hook up monitors, projectors, or external drives without worrying about carrying a pile of adapters. For anyone working or studying remotely, the built-in 1080p webcam makes a real difference. Video calls look sharper and more professional compared to the older 720p cameras still found on many laptops. Pair that with clear audio input, and you've got a solid setup for meetings, online classes, or virtual collaborations. Battery life is also dependable, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge depending on usage. That's enough to power through a full workday or a long day of classes without constantly searching for an outlet. All of this makes the Dell 165640 a versatile option for a wide range of users. Business professionals will appreciate the speed, security, and long battery life. Students will find the large touchscreen, portability, and AI Copilot features especially useful for studying and note-taking. Developers or power users will love the combination of 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage, which can handle heavy workloads with ease. Overall, the Dell 16 touchscreen laptop is a premium machine that brings together power, portability, and modern productivity features. With its cutting-edge Intel processor, Huge memory and storage capacity, a crisp and interactive display, and thoughtful touches like the fingerprint reader and AI integration. It feels like a laptop designed for the future. If you're in a market for a device that can keep up with demanding work, study, or multitasking while still being sleek and portable, the Dell 165640 is absolutely worth considering.